Okay, so today it's hot. It's about 95 degrees out right now. Down here in the shop, it's the 3rd of July. 4th of July is tomorrow. We got some friends coming over. Gonna use the pool up there tomorrow. And anyway, right now, what I want to do, I don't even know where the dogs are. I want to get the rear main seal out of this thing. And I've seen several different methods of doing that. Actually the ones in the Haynes manual says to put a screw into it and then use some pliers and pull it out. I'm not going to try that on the first go around. That may end up what we do, but let's get under the truck and get busy. I don't actually think, I am really hot. I'm hot and tired. It's really hot. I don't actually think this rear main seal is leaking, but we're gonna replace it anyway. I have a seal puller here, and I've seen other people just use screwdrivers and all kinds of stuff, but you don't want to scratch, you don't want to put marks on the crankshaft here. So we'll see if we can get that guy out of there. And there's probably gonna be some oil come out. I don't know. I'm gonna angle it off that way just a little bit. Oh, yeah, that wasn't enough. I don't know if this has been replaced or not, but it sure doesn't look like it's leaking. There. I watched Eric the car guy do this, and he just jammed a screwdriver up in there. But all right, let's see if we can get. There we go. Yeah, well, that didn't take much at all. All right, got that out. Okay, next thing you want to do is clean this all out as good as you can. You don't have anything in there interfering with your new seal. Now I'm going to spray some, got some brake clean here. We're just gonna clean that all out. And then we'll go around here with a rag and just get it as clean as we possibly can. Probably a lot of stuff down here at the bottom. Spray a little more of this in there. Wipe that out as best as we can and probably give it a few minutes. That stuff evaporates pretty quick, so wipe that down. Looks pretty clean. Try to go in with a little less here. Get in there a little bit further. Okay, I think we're pretty good here. Okay, so this is the seal that I've got. Velcro, there's a number on it. And it says right down here, steel must be installed dry. Let's get under the truck. Okay, It's just hot as piss out right now. So with this seal comes with this plastic thing. It's supposed to help you put it on there. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but and then we just need to get that get the seal worked in to where, I don't know if it's gonna work, into where it needs to go. So just tap it around. Okay, maybe we need to get that in a little bit. Okay, let's not want to get anything messed up here. I'm not sure this little plastic thing's going to do any good. Maybe I need to have it at the very edge of it. I don't know. Yeah. Crying out loud, I can't get it to move down. Okay. Alright, I think we're good. Alright. Let's get that up in there. Well, so you have to install it dry because of the material that it's made out of. So we'll see. I don't think this plastic thing's gonna, let's take that off. I don't think that's doing anything. There, that feels better. There we go. We're going in. Yeah. That plastic thing's junk. I don't know why they do that. Okay, I had to take a little break. My neck has really been hurting. And this isn't, I don't have a lift or anything, so I'm not in the best position for all this, but get that tapped in there. I don't think you want to hit it on it too hard. Yeah, we're not in down here. We're kind of, there we go. Okay, we got it in. Took a little bit of hammering around here, but she's in. I used a little bit of a, you know, I don't know where it is, wood block to help get it in over on this side, but she's in. Now we just got to clean all this out, put the pilot bearing in, and then we'll get this girl back together. At least I hope it's in like it's supposed to. It's horribly hot down here. I'm gonna head up to the house. I've had enough, but I think I got that thing in there like it's supposed to be, and then we'll get the transmission and transfer case and everything back into this thing. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Probably not gonna do much tomorrow. Got some friends coming over, and it's too darn hot down here to be doing this right now. It's well, it says about 90. Heat index though I think is about, I'm not sure, I haven't looked. Yeah, heat index right now is 97, and there is absolutely no wind at all. It's just calm as could be. Anyway guys, we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.